Welcome to my channel.
Today I'm gonna open my birthday gift.
How old are you?
5 years old.
5 years old.
Let's open. Okay. That's better.
What is this?
I see it.
What's that?
I see it.
What's that?
I see it. Oh, wait a minute. Ow. What is this? How do I open my birthday gift? What is happening? There's a camera people, bro. Okay. Wait a second.
Can you turn around?
Okay.
What's this?
Never know, you never see. It's so heavy.
What's that?
You put
That. What's this?
That's
Wow,
it.
hair accessory kit.
Yes.
Wow, there
Can I
are
open this?
80 pieces.
Can I
Yes,
see?
of course, you can open it. Wait for a moment, let me help you.
Okay. Oh my god, so beautiful. I like this. What? Oh yes.
Wow!
Wow.
It's so beautiful.
I like this one. Better.
What's that?
A mermaid tail.
A mermaid tail. Wow.
What is this?
You can sew.
Oh my god. There's always something in here.
Wow.
Uh-oh. Never mind. I just put it back.
Wow. So beautiful. They are a kid. You can lock the.
You see the other one says purple
Oh, it's
section.
blue and purple.
I'm gonna put it back. Pink, orange sections. I can't open it.
Do you like it?
Yes. And then, oh my god. Oh, so beautiful. This is flower. Oh, I also have this too. You see? Is this gonna be fun?
Do you like it?
Yes.
So fancy Yi.
What?
It's Yi and her daughters give it to you. Okay? Do you like it?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to us. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.